Hey guys, Shukesh here. So today in this video I will be talking about the front facing camera of the all new OnePlus 7 Pro. I have already updated the firmware to the latest oxygen OS for the global version of 7 Pro, which is 9.5.4. If you are on T-Mobile or Verizon in the US, then you probably got 9.5.6. So what was really wrong with the front camera of this smartphone? Well, users were complaining about the poor HDR performance and also loss of details. Honestly speaking, I wasn't much worried about the front camera. The rear camera was my prime concern, but with this update, OnePlus brought a couple of changes on the way OnePlus handles the selfies. There is still no 60 fps recording with the front camera, and it's a 16 megapixel shooter with f2.0. The lens is 25 mm. There is no autofocus, optical image stabilization, and front flash depth sensing secondary camera. So on paper it's not the best selfie camera, not even close to the flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And once again, I was satisfied with the selfie camera. In fact, I preferred the OnePlus 7 Pro over the iPhone XS Max in some cases. As far as the selfie is concerned, the color, the skin tone were nicely handled, very natural, without much processing or artificial effects, and the edge detection in the portrait mode was one of the best, even better than the Apple flagship. So what changed after the update? Let's have a look. I've taken the same selfies at the same location at the same time of the day, that is 5:30 in the afternoon. First, you are seeing the samples in the normal mode without the portrait bokeh effect, and what I think is the photos after the update look slightly softer and the skin tone is slightly brighter and smoother. Obviously there is heavy processing going on, but in some of the selfies I have found my hair slightly hazy or out of focus, which is not a good sign. Now this sample is with the portrait mode. The background is nicely blurred and the picture quality overall is very good actually. There is no doubt in that, but once again OnePlus messed up the edge detection after the update. I haven't found a single selfie with the OnePlus 7 Pro before update having this major issue, so this is one of the biggest problems with the OnePlus 7 Pro's front camera after the camera update. I liked the selfie camera before the update, though the HDR was poor, but still the pictures were sharp with nice color and of course very good edge detection. Let me show you a few more selfies I have taken with OnePlus 7 Pro, of course after the update. Once again I was very much satisfied with the front facing camera, but now the pictures look so weird in the portrait mode. Here is a similar photo I have taken before the update, and I think the scenario was much better. This problem doesn't happen in all the pictures, but at least 20% of the pictures are severely affected. May not be that much visible on the phone's display, but if you look closely or on a bigger screen, the pictures look distorted, and I really didn't expect this from the brand OnePlus. Apart from this issue in some pictures, overall the picture quality on the selfie camera is good enough. Now I don't know about you, but I really preferred the previous raw picture quality without much processing, but now the pictures are slightly brighter, making the face look more beautiful, hiding the blackheads, pimples, etc. But the sharpness of the hair and the overall picture is gone, especially in the portrait mode. The normal selfie mode is not much affected, keeping the sharpness, the color tone, and the crispness of the pixels. Hey guys, so this is how the front camera of OnePlus 7 Pro looks after the big update, and the HDR has been improved. There is no 60 fps video recording with the front facing camera, it's only 30 fps at 1080p. So in the viewfinder the video looks great, but EIS is not good enough. So the front camera video quality is actually not that bad as I thought. If you are considering this camera for vlogging, then I won't suggest it because there is no 60 fps recording, no 4K, no quad HD recording as well, no autofocus, no optical image stabilization. But overall the color rendering, the sharpness and the dynamic range is quite good. With proper studio lighting and post processing, you might get great result from this OnePlus 7 Pro. Now here is a video sample taken before and after the camera update. I don't see much difference in the video mode, though the after video looks slightly warm, maybe because of the sunlight condition, and also the dynamic range might have improved a little bit on the video, but I cannot really see any visible difference. You guys are watching the sample, so you decide. Don't forget to watch this video in full resolution, that is 4K, to get a clearer picture. The after video is definitely slightly warmer, and also the contrast level is slightly higher on the right side video taken after the camera update. So we are at the end of this video. Definitely after the update the camera changed a lot. The edge detection issue is a big problem, and also the skin tone is now smoother and more attractive, which you might like. Comment below and share your opinion. This is Shukesh signing off. Have a nice day.